Okay, to hitch your truck up, on the key ring is this little silver key that opens this door. And then you're going to turn it on. And you're going to press these two buttons left and right at the same time. And what that does is the last time you unhitched your truck to the camper, it memorizes that truck height. So when you press these two buttons, it raises the front end of the camper to the exact height of where you unhitched it, just to make that hitching process easier. So you press these two together. Raises it up, and that's it. You can back your truck up and hitch it. Let's say you might be a little too low. You can manually adjust the front end by just pressing front. That'll raise it. If you're too high, you press the retract button. That lights up, and then you press front again, and then that'll retract the front. And that operation is for any of these. You can do the rear up, rear down, left, right, but for hitching, sometimes I have to go a little higher or a little lower for that process. So that's how you manually adjust that, but that's it. Okay, one more thing. Once you got the truck hitched, you press down and until you get to auto retract begin, and then you press enter, and then that'll take all the weight and lift all of the hydraulics all the way around. That's the final step of that. Okay, same process. Silver key, open the door. So this is to unhitch from the truck. Turn it on, and then you're going to press front. And you're going to do this until you get the trailer to the point where you have it off the hitch, or you have it where it takes the load off the truck to disconnect it. That's that. Okay, now you move your truck out of the way and you're ready to level it. You're going to press auto level. That's going to lower the front end. Now, something that may happen sometimes, depending on how low the front end is it will lower the front end and it will bottom out those pistons on the front end. And that's because those blocks or those buckets are too high. So if that happens, it's going to continue to try to ground it out. You just have to hit cancel and then rehook the truck back up, remove the bucket, and maybe you put a piece of wood under there just because those buckets are too tall. But right now it's putting all the pistons down, hydraulics all the way around. And it's going to continue to flash here. It's calculating its level. And then if you get that success, you're good to go. And then you can just close and lock it.